Wait, don't scroll. I just used a free AI tool to turn simple text into this cinematic video you are watching. And no, this is not CapCut magic or editing skill. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you exactly how I did this step by step using Anijam AI. Even if you have never created a video before, you can literally copy this process and start posting viral YouTube shorts today. So watch closely, because by the end of this video you will know how to create videos like this yourself and start your own Faceless channel.
But it comes with a steep price to pay. To be free, she must break the river's curse or become part of it forever.
So come with me to Anijam AI. Search Anijam AI on Google. This is it. It will open. Then if you haven't logged in, you are going to log in with your email account. All right, once you have logged in, you will go to ChatGPT. You will copy your prompt. All right, then you will paste in your prompt. You will paste your prompt here. All right, so this is it. I have pasted my prompt. Then you will send it. I just use this for this tutorial, but you can generate an image. All right, you can generate your own image. Then you tap this plus sign, add your photo. All right, for you to have consistent character, you get. So after you have pasted your image with your prompt, you will click either this AI director mode or workflow mode. Anyone you choose is still the same process. So in this tutorial I chose AI director mode. All right, because I want to direct him by myself. Then what that does, it will give you the option of choosing your audience or ages, depending on what are you creating video for, kids or teenagers. But I choose all ages. Then you choose for YouTube short, and you will choose your voiceover. All right, you choose voiceover, or you want only music, depending on the story you are creating. All right, so in this one I chose voiceover. Then I confirm. You also confirm the minutes that you want. I want 30 seconds. All right, I confirm. Then it will give you option of choosing a style design, which I did. I chose my style design. Now this is the options you have to choose from your style design. Which one do you want? I think this is because I didn't post any images. All right, if you posted any photo, they might not request for you to make this choice. All right, so I choose cosmic dreams. That is what I chose. All right, so we continued. I chose concept design. All right, it will continue. It's taking you through. Remember, this is AI director. You are the one directing it. It's asking you different questions of what you want. What do you want? Okay, so that is it. I choose my concept design, and I have to wait for a few minutes for it to come up with the next option, the next question. All right, you just have to wait. My network was a bit slow here. All right, so once that is done, you will see generate all concepts. All right, I chose generate all concepts. Then you wait for it again. It's generating all 5 concept design in one batch. Your characters, your prompts, your underwater world. Let the visual world come alive. All right, depending on your story, remember. So this is it. This is generated. It generated all 5 images for me. So you wait for the images to open and for it to give you the next direction on what to do. Okay, so stick with me for you to see the magic of the AI images. The images are so clear, so cinematic. All right, you have to wait for the images to come alive. Here is also my network. I don't know, the network today was a bit, yeah, these are the images, the 5 images. All right, so now it's going to give you the next options of what to do. Saving everything to the project. Now concept updated. All right, you have to continue to AI director. This visual will now anchor every frame of the video. The AI director will reference them for full character and environment consistency throughout all 6 scenes. Okay, these are the 5 scenes. It's pulling out the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 6. All right, it's pulling out all the. Now I asked him to generate all at once. He's asking me, should he generate it one by one? I said no, generate all at once. Let's do it once and for all. Now firing up the AI director, all 6 scenes generating in parallel now. All right, so we have to wait. In all this you have to wait. You follow the process, you wait. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to generate, and here is the magic. It's coming depending on your network. You know, this AI is very simple, very easy to use. Is beginner friendly. Like, you just paste in your prompt and you follow the process. All right, but watch to the end for you to see the magic. Okay, this is Anijam AI. Anijam.ai. We are waiting for the images that it has generated. No, this is the videos that it has generated. Yeah, we are waiting for it. These are all the videos. These are all the videos. Now it generated this video 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds each. Now we are going to generate narration. All right, we are going to generate narration. Remember, I use the voiceover option depending on what you want. Do you want this AI is good for those that are into storytelling, folktelling, you know, storytelling. You use voiceover. There are different options for voiceovers you can choose from. All right, there are many voiceover you can choose from. So see, I select voice and generate. Here I'm going to show you the voices. I'm going to show you the voices. Hold on for you to see the voices. Hold on a bit. I'm going to show you the voices you can choose from depending on the kind of faceless channel you want to build. Look at the voices. Look at the voices available, and they are all free voices you can choose from. All right, you can choose. I chose this Annabelle because I like the voice. It's cool and calm, and it's a female voice. So it depends on the kind of faceless channel you want to go to. Do you want to represent the male version, or you want to represent the male version? If you are going into content for the male version, you remember to use male voice. If you are going for a woman version, remember to use woman voice. All right, so these are the voices that it has generated. All the voices of the story that it has generated. So now it's going to pile up everything together. It's going to generate background music. It's okay. Background music, it's going to add background music too. Do you see how good this AI is? It's going to give you voiceover, give you the videos, the images, and it is still going to give you background music. This AI is too good. Come on, it's too good. It's very, very good. So this is the background music. All right, we wait for it to generate. Yeah, network is a little bit bad. Yeah, let's wait for the magic to happen. The audio updated, the score is composed and saved, right? Then you combine everything. Now we are going to combine the pictures, the videos, the voiceover, the music together. After which you are going to click on the video and it will download.
Everyone warned her, don't marry the man from the river. But every night he came, kind, gentle, impossible to resist. She married him despite the village's deep fears about him. One fateful night, she quietly followed him into the darkness. And what she saw was not human. He was a river spirit. And now, she could never leave the water. She thought it was over, but it was only the beginning of something new. No matter how hard she tried, she couldn't go back to where she'd been. Then she saw them, others who had made that same costly mistake. The river spirit didn't lie, but he didn't tell the whole truth either. There is only one way out of this situation, but it comes with a steep price to pay. To be free, she must break the river's curse, or become part of it forever.